Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREKML. All Day Project, One More Time MV just came out. I'm ready to check it out. It sounds a little bit different from what they released so far, so I'm very curious. Based on what I heard from the teaser. 3, 2, 1, bow. Oh, what am I seeing? It sounds more like festival V. Ooh. Okay, okay, I see y'all. Y'all looking like superstars. Just feel it. Let's put it in 4K, my bad. Ooh. Hold on. Oh, okay, stunning. Okay, Bailey. Okay, we better make some room. Yeah. Oh, in the pool. Night. Light. No, it's definitely festival vibes. Where'd you go? One last time, hey. Dance with me now, okay. What'd he say? Okay, Tarzan time. Oh, he look good with his hair right here. No. Wait. Okay. Oh. Okay. Lie those lyrics. Body. Definitely a lot different from what they posted. It's interesting. It's good. I like it when a group like tries different genres too. 3, 2, 1, get it. Yeah. Hey. Now, dance with me now. Hey. And they sparkling for real though. Dance with me now. Hey. Ooh. Oh, she's not here to play. She out in the water and the sparklers. Oh my god. Oh, she is not here to play. Oh my god. Okay, queen.
Wait, you sure you could keep up?
Oh. Ooh. Hey. Dance with me now. Dance with me.
You sure you could keep up?
Ooh. Okay. Oh. I see. Damn, they really made like a party and everything, man. This is definitely for the stage for sure too. Definitely for the stage. Wow. Wait, hold up. This is crazy. Everything was beautiful, but my god. Wow. Hold up.
Wait, you sure you could keep up?
Oh. This part is fire too. I love a good like rock out party scene too. All the other dancers in the crowd too.
You sure you could keep up?
This is crazy. This time, not like a very hip hop oriented track. Definitely for the festivals for sure. That's what I think of. Like when I say it's for the festival or for the club, it feels like it's for that. Just a performance video. I can see like at the end of a show, an encore type of vibe. You already know.
Fun, you're looking for a man in your life. You told me love's a drug. I'm picking you up, we about to get drunk, let me kid it.
Damn, he really out here on these cars and everything. Last time it was like him like with his head out or his whole body out of the car kind of. Now he's on top of the car. Crazy like that. The beginning is fire too. Oh, he killed it. He killed it too. Very different from what we were introduced to. I like that. They all serving though. Wow. Wow. So good. So good. She just, I feel like Bailey just commands the room, bro. Whew. And she's serving too. She's serving too. As she eating some french fries? What was that? Put the comments down below what you guys think of ALLDAY Project one more time. Is it like a comeback or is this a B-side? I'm not sure exactly. Let me know in the comments. It's just a single maybe, right? Maybe a single for like a B-side of an album, hopefully, or a mini album. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all? Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.